Okay, Salgo students, how are you? I hope that you will be good, you will be fine. In this lecture, we will discuss about linear ordinary differential equation. Linear differential equation, we can say that this is linear differential equation or linear linear ordinary differential equation. This is same meaning, same thing, or we say this is linear differential equation, or in other words we can say linear ordinary differential equation, because it consists of ordinary derivative of dependent variable y with respect to x. So I write linear ordinary differential equation in the variable y. This can be written as variable y variable is a dependent variable dependent on x. We say that linear ordinary differential equation in the dependent variable y, that can be written in the following form: dy by dx plus p of x y equals q of x. This is the function of x. This is also function of x, and this is y. So there will be y linear, and y must be linear. In the y is a linear form. y will be in the linear form. The degree of y will be 1. Integrative factor of this linear differential equation will be equal to exponential integral of p, this function p dx. P is the function of x, so p will be integrated with respect to x. After this, you know what you have to do. Okay, you will multiply this integrative factor to the given ordinary to the linear differential equation. Okay, in other cases, that linear ordinary differential equation in the variable x, x depending on y, x linear, x also must be. If y is not linear, then x will be linear. If x is not linear, then y will be linear. We will give an example after this time. Okay, this can be written as this will be of the following form: dx over dy plus function of y into x. This x will be linear, this x will be linear. This is function of y, and this is the function of y. Okay, this integrative factor of this linear ordinary differential equation will be equal to exponential integral. This function p will be integrated with respect to y. Let us see its example. This is the example: x minus y cube dy by dx plus. For this, it is an ordinary differential equation. This is ordinary differential equation, and you can see that here y is linear. So this will be linear differential equation in the variable y. X is not linear, though. See, this cannot be linear differential equation in the variable x. This can be linear differential equation in the variable y. It is ordinary derivative or the first order dy over dx. Okay, write this. You will vanish this term, you will eliminate this term by dividing this term by each term. Okay, you will get when you will divide x minus 1 whole cube, this will be this is divided by x minus 1 whole cube, this will be this, and this will be this. Okay, after this dy over dx plus this, after simplification you will cancel this, you get 4 over this into y. I had written that this y will be linear in this form. Okay, x plus 1 over this, which is linear differential equation, this is linear differential equation in variable y. This is linear differential equation in variable y. This is linear differential equation in variable y. Its integrative factor will be equal to exponential integral of 4 over x minus 1 with respect to x. Let's see. You see that integrative factor will be equal to exponential of this. You will integrate this with respect to x, and you will integrate this with respect to x, exponential this, and you will get integrative factor x minus 1 whole for 4. The equation number 1, which was linear, which we have made linear differential equation in variable y, that linear equation must be multiplied with the integrative factor. You will not multiply this integrative factor to the given equation, you will multiply the integrative factor to the linear differential equation. Okay, x minus 1 into this and this, you will multiply. After simplification you will get this will be cancelled. Okay, that's multiply x minus 1. Okay, this one, this, and this left side you will see that left side can be written as derivative of y x minus 1 whole power 4. This left side is closed by the derivative of y x minus 1 all over 4 dy dx. Okay, after this you will integrate both sides. This will be integrated, then differential will be cancelled. This will be integrated with respect to x, dx will be here with respect to x. Okay, you will get this, the solution of the linear ordinary differential equation. This is the solution of the linear ordinary differential equation. Let us see another example. Okay, example, solve dy by dx y over this. You can see that you are seeing that you are looking here, you are watching this, that y is not linear. You are watching that you have to analysis your you have to check that y is not linear in this equation, but x is linear. So this cannot be linear differential equation in variable y. This can be linear differential equation in the variable x. We will write it in the second form, dx over dy. We will not write dy by dx. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I have written this all things in the paragraph, but it can be linear equation y in x. So that dx over dy, you will reciprocally, you will take reciprocal of the in the both sides, reciprocal. You will get dx over dy x plus 2y cube over y. This after this y will be divided by both terms. Let us see here what is the next. You see that d of x over y plus 2y cube over y is, after cancellation you will get 2y square d over dy, and this is shifted in the left hand side. Okay, this is of the following form, dx over dy plus function of y x function of y. This you can see that this is the p of y. Okay, this is linear ordinary differential equation in the variable x. This is not in y, in the variable x. Integrative factor will be equal to derivative integration of this with respect to y. You will simplify this integrative, you will get integrative factor is 1 over y, and this linear differential equation will be multiplied by integrative factor. You will get this. After this simplification to y, left hand side can be written as derivative of x over y, which is this. Okay, after differentiation you must have the well experience that you can write, you can close and you can expand the derivative. Okay, you will expand this, you will get this. Okay, after integration this will be cancelled and this will be integrated with respect to y. You will get y square. This is the solution of the linear ordinary differential equation in the variable x, and x is linear here. You can see that. Okay, this is all about my lecture today. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this my lecture, understand my lecture, please give a one like and give one subscribe my channel, my vertical TV channel. I will be very thankful to you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.